At Kraft Packaging, we produce branded custom poly bubble mailers designed to protect products and strengthen brand presentation. This production line combines film feeding, bubble cushioning, precision laminating, printing alignment, heat sealing, cutting, and stacking to ensure consistent quality in every piece. Each mailer can be customized with size, color, logo printing, surface finish, and sealing options to match different shipping needs. Ideal for e-commerce, cosmetics, apparel, and promotional packaging, our poly bubble mailers help deliver a safer, more professional unboxing experience.